fold twice, zigzag fold, going around it, and so this packaging I bought from Daiso. It's a food packaging. If you go to Daiso, there are many options, many selections of food packaging. Present bag, S size, 30 sheets, and 185 times 120 times 50 millimeter, and comes with thank you stickers. So I just go on it and then put a sticker on. It's up to you how you want to put the sticker. I like it on the top. I don't know why. It's like a handle thing. So yeah, more to pack. I made total of 22 cakes today, selling at 5 ringgit for 2, so sort of earn 55 ringgit, but now it's the experience that I'm looking for. And then it's also I'm making use of my time. My oven actually can bake this Hokkaido cupcake. Yeah, it can bake for how many? 16 times 2, 32. Actually, you can bake 20 on each level, so like 40, but I didn't do 40. And one recipe can make 10. Should have done that, but I was in a rush this morning. I didn't do much planning. Yeah, I didn't do planning. Oh, this is nicer. This is nicer. This thing. Thank you. Okay. Actually, Hokkaido cupcake, right? It takes some technique when it comes to baking it. You see, if I don't bake it long enough for like 1 hour at a low temperature, I want to really get this nice bump. Can show you the other cake that I didn't bake quite long enough. It was just so like this one and this, it sink in, so it's really different. So this was for experiment. I tried many recipes. Yeah, both has actual durian flesh in the cupcake. I added like 1 tablespoon to just give it some fragrance to the cake, and also the cream. This is my durian paste that I blended down, actual flesh, and then I blend it down to more of a spreadable consistency with some of the fibers are in there too. And just top it off with a freeze-dried banana. I got this from a friend. I thought like I try this out, add in some fresh. It's actually crispy, but once it's exposed to the air, it turns soft. I don't know if you can really see this. Yeah. Zoom out a bit. Okay, that's my adventure on making durian Hokkaido cake. I don't not personally like durian, but after this project, I've come to like the smell of durian now. So if you can find fresh durian in your area, as it's the season right now, why not you try making durian Hokkaido cupcake. Why is it called Hokkaido? Because it looks like volcanoes oozing out lava, but in this case, a chiffon cake oozing out durian custard cream and sprinkles. Thank you for watching.